What's up, guys? Today we are in Osoyoos, British Columbia, and we're about to head up Mount Kobau. I got a coffee, we got a tea. I'm gonna flip the camera. That's where we're headed. Looks a little foggy up there. I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna go. You can see it's fog all the way around us here, but we're gonna give it a go. We've got about a 40-minute drive full of switchbacks up a fire road to get all the way up there, so this should be fun. Let's get started.
Yay.
All right, we just turned off the highway. We are now on the fire road. Apparently it's gonna be a pretty slow going road here, as I'm sure you can imagine. The map says we've got 19 minutes to go, and it's calling for about a 40-minute drive, basically right up the side of a mountain using a bunch of switchbacks. So we'll keep you updated and we'll see you at the top. You can see there was definitely some wildfire coming through here. All the way around us, everything here is burnt. We took a pit stop here. Check out that view. I know it's mostly fog and clouds. You probably can't see super well, but right down there is Spotted Lake. And yes, there's a lot of snow up here now. We're about halfway up. Let's keep moving. We have definitely found a lot of the snow. Woo! It is a little slippery up here, but we're making our way. We're currently playing a fun game of where is the road? We're in a cloud and everything is white, so we're taking our time, but we're almost there. This is the trail we're about to do. Aside from the gentle sounds of what feels like quiet hail hitting my head, it's quite peaceful up here. I don't know if you can tell by the sound, but because we're up in the clouds, there's a thin layer of ice on all of this snow. So every step I got to break through the ice to get a foothold. Almost there. Here we go. Of Mount Kobau. Elevation 1873 meters. What a spectacular view. It's very white. If I'm not mistaken, somewhere, maybe it's over there. Somewhere down there is Osoyoos. We made it to the top. It's a little chilly up here. As you can see, there's ice on everything. Elevation 1873. I really wish we weren't in a cloud right now so you could actually see, because apparently the view from up here is spectacular. But we did it. Now we're gonna make our way back down. We were gonna have a seat and enjoy the view, but as you can probably hear, but I don't think we're gonna be hanging out up here too much longer. Top of a mountain with no coverage, so that wind is blasting. You probably can't see on video, but I can see the waves going by, and everything's a little bit frozen up here. It's about 10 degrees down on the ground in Osoyoos, early November. With that wind, it's got to be about -10 up here, so I think it's about time we call it. We're gonna head back down. That's it for us today. We're back at the truck. I'm not sure exactly where the road is. I can't quite see from here, but we're gonna try and get turned around, make our way back down. Thanks for joining us. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave some love in the comments. And we'll see you next time. And remember, explore the outdoors more.